Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ExitLog for Hypixel and how to optimize your connection for lower ping, reduce lag spikes, and smoother gameplay. If you want to try ExitLog with a 1-year 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. And let's get started. First, open your ExitLog and log into your account. Next, use the search bar here at the connection and search for the Hypixel. So if Hypixel isn't available in your version of ExitLab, just click the Minecraft instead and select it. And for the best result, click the server setting into automatic, as you can see. Then select your preferred region. You can also select all regions because it is recommended. Select Asia. The multi-path routing now is being enabled and the route optimization will be in high. Click the advanced settings. As you can see, if your version of ExitLog allows you to change your TCP routes and UTP routes, you can set it into 0 and 4 for the TCP routes. But if it's not, you can select it into the default settings and click the apply routes. Wait for it to analyze the connection. And now you can launch Minecraft and join the Hypixel server and start playing. You should notice a more stable connection, fewer lag spikes, and improved responsiveness, especially in game modes like Bed Wars, Sky Wars, and Skyblock. One important thing to know is that some players have reported receiving temporary security bans when using network routing software on Hypixel. These are generally automated security checks rather than cheating bans, but there's still some risk. If you decide to use ExitLog, use it at your own discretion and avoid frequently changing routes while you log into Hypixel. And that's it. We're now ready to enjoy a smoother Hypixel experience. And if this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, optimization guides, and setup tips. And don't forget, if you want to try ExitLog with a 1-year 50% discount, check out the sign up link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.